Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Today is Tuesday, March 31st, 2026. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes surged higher today. The S&P 500 index climbed by 184.92 points to close at 6,528.65. The Dow 30 rose 1,125.17 points, finishing at 46,341.32, while the Nasdaq Composite added 795.98 points, closing at 21,590.63. A positive momentum across all major indexes was noted today. The S&P 500 saw a significant majority of one-day advances, with 410 rising compared to 80 declining stocks. Similarly, the Dow 30 had 25 advances and only 5 declines, while the Nasdaq Composite recorded 2,359 advances against 589 declines. Weekly returns highlight notable rises. The S&P 500 gained 2.5% this week, even amid a strong negative trend year-to-date at minus 4.63%. The Dow 30 also registered a weekly growth of 2.6%, while the Nasdaq Composite showed robust weekly returns at 3.1%. Top-performing sectors saw strong gains today, led by the communication services and technology sectors. Communication services closed up 4.4%. Technology, with some downward volatility, still surged 4.2%. Consumer cyclical and industrials followed, both adding 3.2%, with financial services up by 2.1%. Among the worst-performing sectors, energy led with a decline of 1.1%. Utilities experienced a marginal dip, while consumer defensive managed a slight gain. Real estate broke out upwards post a sideways trend, finishing with a 1.4% gain. Basic materials also closed positively, advancing 1.8%. In global markets, South Korea's iShares ETF led gains with a 5.6% rise. Israel's iShares ETF followed closely, up 5.2%. Poland and Brazil both advanced over 4%, with Brazil showing upward volatility. Italy's ETF climbed 4.1%, showcasing mixed trends across the board. ETFs depicted strong recovery trends this week. Poland's ETF remarkably gained 5.1%, while Brazil recorded a solid 4.8% rise. Year-to-date, South Korea shows an impressive 26.5% return, with Brazil at 20.8%. Both markets' ETFs reflect strong positive trends amid overall market volatility. The tech darlings saw impressive daily gains today, despite ongoing negative trends. Apple closed at 253.79, up 7.16. Alphabet surged 5%, ending at 286.90. Amazon, while closing up for the second consecutive day, gained 7.32 to 208.27. Meta Platforms saw a robust 6.6% increase, closing at 572.13. Nvidia, dealing with some volatility, rose 5.6% to close at 174.44.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently trading at 67,900.50, up by 1,163.32, indicating a 1.7% rise. Ethereum shows a significant increase of 3.8%, standing at 2,101.72. BNB is up to 615.86, and Dogecoin is now at 0.0922. Most cryptos are witnessing a second consecutive day of gains, but their trends remain largely negative. In terms of returns, Ethereum seems to be leading, with a week's total return of 5.99%. Bitcoin and BNB also showed upward momentum over the week. Year to date, most cryptocurrencies remain in the red, with Solana at a minus 33.48%. Despite short-term gains, the overall market sentiment still hovers in the negative territory.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar/euro is currently at 0.8650, dropping 0.0072. It shows a mixed positive trend. Against the British pound, the US dollar is down to 0.7559, yet it maintains a strong positive trend with recent upward volatility. The US dollar/Japanese yen has declined to 158.7520 after 3 days of consecutive decline amid a mixed positive trend. The US dollar to Swiss franc strengthened, reaching 0.7994, with a 0.0010 gain over 5 days of upward volatility. Finally, against the Australian dollar, the US dollar is at 1.4489, with a minor decline of 0.0109 in a mixed positive trend.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.